The 2017 to 2020 Civic Si Coupe is one of my all-time favorite two-door front engine, front-wheel drive cars. So when Chad reached out and asked if I could help him see what a new wrap color and powder-coated wheels would look like on his car, I said, "I got you, bro." Chad sent me some photos. He said he wanted to see his Civic with white wheels in this mint color. But first, I have to appreciate what Chad's already done with this car. Wheel fitment looks nice. Good choice on the bronze NKTS5s. I'm really digging the front splitter, and probably the best mod you can do to this gen Civic. Chad got rid of that USB port exhaust, my man. Good job. So I've got his photos in Photoshop, and first things first, custom license plate. Oh yeah, that's better. Now I own your car, Chad. Next, I'm not going to use the shot of the rear that he sent because it's only half the car. So I grabbed a stock photo from Honda. All we need to do is get it looking like Chad's car. Exhaust, wheels, nice. And now for the color. I keep a selection of wrap catalogs on hand to reference the colors available. I don't wrap cars. I don't want to wrap cars. But as a designer, it's just one of the many car related things I like to have on hand for inspiration. So let's find a color that's relatively close to the color Chad sent. I think this khaki green is going to work out just nice. Now it's just a matter of creating an adjustment layer, selecting a spot color, and like magic, color change. We'll refine all this a little later. There are some spots where the selection didn't catch all the color, but that'll be easy to fix. Okay, now the wheels. I'm not gonna lie, I love bronze wheels, but let's get them white like what Chad wants to see. To change a dark color to white in Photoshop, it just takes a few adjustment layers, some curves adjustments, and boom, you've got white wheels. Now let's polish off this render so I can send it off to Chad. So while I finish this, if you have a project car that you want to see visualized in Photoshop, shoot me an email. I'd love to help you pick your next wrap color or help you design your ultimate project car. And if you don't have a project right now, just drop a comment. Let me know what dream car you want to see me Photoshop next. And with that, the render is all done and sent to Chad, and he responded with this. That looks amazing. Very good job on the Photoshop. Thank you so much. Made his decision a lot easier. Nice. Bro, it was my pleasure to do this. Mint with white wheels, and also I really like mint with the bronze wheels he already has. I think Chad already picked his favorite, but what do you guys think? Thank you again, Chad, for reaching out and for supporting the channel. It was great to set this up for you. Y'all can watch me Photoshop more cars in these videos over here. And other than that, I will see you in the next one. God bless.